to see all about truncate tables, what is the duplicate name for the truncate, how to execute the truncate query, what is the use of truncate, is there use of truncate query। अरे भाई आखिर ये ट्रंकेट होता क्या है भाई, सब कुछ बताएगा तुम्हारा भाई, वीडियो अंत तक जरूर देखना। Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today we are going to see all about truncate. Firstly, I will tell you that what is meant by the truncate. Imagine that I have the student details table in which there are many columns as ID, name, roll number, etc. and so on. Okay, in which I have the data of the students. I want to delete all these columns, then I want to use the truncate query. The truncate query is used to delete all the data inside the table. It will keep all the table names as it is, only it will delete the data. The duplicate name for the truncate is known as delete. Let's see that how to run the query of the truncate. We have to open our mysql. This is my database name as college and this is my table, and I have inserted some data as you can see here, students data. My table name is student data, student details. Okay, firstly I will show you that our data from the table, this is our data. If we want to delete this data, then we have to use the truncate query as I am using here, truncate student details, and we have to select it and we have to run it. Here you can see that our truncate query has been run successfully, and we have to see that, and we have to check that our query has run or not successfully, and we have to select it by the select all from students query, and we have to run it. You can see here our query has been deleted successfully. This is how we saw that how the truncate runs. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the video. Okay, thank you guys, see you in the next video.